Y'all, we about to go out to eat. What we going to eat, y'all?
We're gonna eat crabs.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
This parking lot always full, and you gotta be careful over here because they put a boot on my car over here. I had to cut up one time, but we over here in University.
Why do we
going
have
to Kraken Crawfish?
We have to go on the streets for this. 7.
They think you 7?
I think they think you're 5 years old.
So I got the pick 2 combo, and I got crab and clams, and it comes with corn, egg, potato, and sausage. And then I got the old country style, which is all the seasonings mixed together, and I got hot.
Mike, how about this?
Look at this.
Jade.
How about you do this?
Ivy.
Okay, can you open
Right
this?
here.
Why do we have to get these? So our hands won't get messy by this. Right, Matt? Mike, are you already eating your crab? I haven't even got started with it. Because I can't break it. Who's gonna... I'm taking my gloves off. Can you do this, Mike? Can I eat this?
You want to?
Oh, we got.
No reaction. Jade, they're cracking.
Mommy, when I was a baby, did you try to feed me a lemon and I didn't even make a sour face? But first, I'm gonna eat this. Okay. There's more on the shirt. More than this.
Them girls ain't played no games.
Mommy, I need a bathroom.
Okay.